Meron na po bang mensahe, birthday message po ang Pangulo kay former President Duterte on Friday?
Ako po may mensahe. Kantahan natin ang happy birthday. Yun lang po. Siyempre birthday po yun. Kailangan po maging maligaya ang taong nag-birthday at wini-wish po natin siya ng happy birthday.
Salamat po.
Yun po.
Ang presidente po, wala pa po ba?
Ipapaalala ko po sa kanya na birthday po ni dating Pangulong Duterte sa March 28. Baka po hindi niya po natatandaan.
What a pleasure it is for me to wish happy birthday to ang ating predecessor, PRRD. Happy birthday to you, Mr. President. Ngayon, naintindihan ko na kung bakit minsan, nung presidente ko, napapamura ka. Now I know why. Pero huwag niyong inaalala. Lahat ng magandang sinimulaan ninyo, we will continue to work on it. We will continue to make sure that those projects that you started will be successful. And I'm glad that I am able to continue the good work that you started. And so, I don't know kung makapag-relax ka because after a lifetime of work, I don't know if you still know how to take it easy. But if you have the chance, please have a good celebration. Happy birthday, PRR.